training institution or training facility which has a conscience should be considerate. Individuals use the Center for Pre-Hospital Emergency Medical Services, CPHEMS, as a foundation and a platform for building, growing and launching their careers. If we use technology, training, internationally established standards and opportunities correctly, and using the Center for Pre-Hospital Emergency Medical Services right, becomes a powerful medium and foundation for cognitive learning, psychomotor skills development and effective learning, enhances our program's cohorts' undiscovered talent and skills. This allows self-starters, budding young potential professionals with the right personality, attitude, character and selfless nature to be integrated into the field of pre-hospital emergency medical services as emergency medical technicians, medevac technicians, advanced emergency medical technicians, and paramedic, as many of our program's graduates have gone on to become registered nurses and practicing medical doctors. Because we do not just train our cohorts, but we fashion them to the profession, to excel amongst the best stars in the world. At CPHEMS we take this opportunity to announce our Applied Technical Diploma, EMT Hybrid, program, and preparing our cohorts and graduates to obtain the Caribbean Vocational, CVQ, Level 3 qualification, allowing them to obtain marketability throughout the Caribbean under the Caribbean Single Market and Economy, CSME, without requiring work permits. This opportunity presents them to the global market and to continue to excel amongst the best stars in their chosen profession worldwide. Come arrange your visit with us today to find out if our programs are right for you.